Thank you, Professor Hugo, for the very nice introduction. That's Vanakkam in my language. I'm from the land of Tamils, and it reads Yadum Ure Yavarum Kelir, which means it's a famous ancient Tamil phrase meaning all towns are our own and all people are our kin, written by the poet Kaniyan Pungundranar over 2000 years ago in Purananuru. It emphasizes universal brotherhood, humanity, and equality, essentially meaning the whole world is one family. I put this slide before the war started, and I think it's a very right time I mention this here, and maybe before we all go back home, everything settles down, and this sentence comes true, that we all belong to the one whole world, and we are all of the same family. And now, my fellow family, I would like to talk about extended reality in healthcare. And as you all know, we are in the Biosignal and Bioimaging Conference, but then what does extended reality do here? Is biosignal or signal processing is basically the hidden engine behind extended reality. Every process that you have in signal processing is basically the backbone of extended reality, which uses every process in extended reality. And I will be talking about the applications that we perform in extended reality, especially in healthcare. And that's my college. I come from Sivasubramanian Nadar College of Engineering in Tamil Nadu, Chennai. It's the fourth most beautiful campus in our country. And I'm very happy to be here in Marbella, the most beautiful coastal city. I will be talking about extended reality in general in healthcare, augmented reality that has application domains specifically in surgical tracking and rehabilitation. I've included a few case studies on intraoperative spine and liver surgical tracking and haptics integration. And then I would like to talk about virtual reality, the application domains that have surgical simulation, a few learning platforms, and of course, case studies that are related to surgical planning and neurodevelopmental disorders and medical equipment training. So to introduce augmented reality, virtual reality, and mixed reality are the components of extended reality, which allows the digital and physical worlds to be merged in allowing immersion and engaging visualization. So as you can see, it has advances in head-mounted displays, real-time tracking, rendering, and haptic interfaces. We've tried a bit of all these components in our applications. And in technologies like image-guided surgery and VR therapy are also